Want to start a highly profitable faceless YouTube channel in 2026 without spending hours editing or ever showing your face? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that in just a few clicks using SendShort AI. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been wanting to jump into the faceless shorts trend but hate the tedious process of editing, cutting clips, and writing subtitles, you are in the right place. Today, we're looking at SendShort AI, a tool designed to turn long-form videos into viral short clicks almost instantly. According to SendShort, over 100,000 creators are already using it to save up to 20 hours of editing every single week. So how does it actually work for faceless creators? First, SendShort has a dedicated Create Faceless video AI tool. This allows you to generate engaging videos using AI voiceovers, text, and visuals, meaning you don't need to film yourself or buy expensive camera gear. If you already have long-form videos, you can use their AI to easily extract them into multiple short clips. From there, the AI automatically generates captions and subtitles. If you want to reach a global audience, you can even translate those subtitles into different languages with a single click. To make sure people actually watch your videos, SendShort lets you add AI-generated hooks to grab attention in the first few seconds, and you can easily customize your thumbnails by swapping the first or last frame of your video. Plus, if you want to keep your channel consistent, they offer an automated series creator that helps you schedule and post directly to platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Now, let's talk about reviews and pricing. While the site's meta description mentions a free option, they also have a pricing page for premium features. Because this is a newer tool, verified public user reviews are currently limited. Since we don't have a massive library of user feedback yet, my best advice is to head over to SendShort.ai, try out their features for yourself, and see how the AI voiceovers and video editing fit your specific style. If you're ready to start your faceless channel journey, go ahead and give SendShort AI a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you've tried making faceless videos yet. See you in the next video.